you ever fallen out of love? We hide and play dumb or change the station till push turns into shove. We get so clever at covering it up. Everyone knows our hearts in their holes. There's water in the boat. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. We talk in circles and never bring it up. Just me and you, a table for two, but we're not saying much. Baby, almost could never be enough. Thirsty for more, the wine that you pour is poison in my cup. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. What went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. You ain't the one. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a day I'm grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna Truth is, I just wanna get close take a sip, baby. You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you talk back. Keep it spicy. That's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got the time for us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, we don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom.
Waiting, patient, only thing that I've never been good at. No, chasing ways to have you to myself just like I should, yeah. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines, I can't fight you. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it. Boy, you got me spinning round your bedroom. Touch me like the sun touches the morning. Yeah, yeah, wind me up one look and you can read me like a story. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines, I can't lie, yeah. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it. Boy, you got me spinning round my head, around my bed. Do it again, no going back, got it bad. Round my head, around my bed. Do it again, no going back, got it bad. I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it. Boy, you got me spinning.
I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.
I'm in for the ride, baby, you and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't it, ain't how it's supposed to be. No, you know that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you. I just got this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling no more. Call it how it is. Why you keep on making a fool of me? You know all the spice that make my walls drop. Turning me on, then you go and let me down. You know that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you. I just got this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling no more.
I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just hate this feeling, but fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.
Energy is fire, conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. I read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Different kind of blue. Starry in the daytime. Found my living proof with you. I might lose all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. I read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
Have you ever fallen out of love? We hide and play dumb or change the station to push turns into shove. We get so clever at covering it up. Everyone knows our hearts in their holes. There's water in the boat. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is, I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is, I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying. You ain't the one. Our time is up. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. We talk in circles and never bring it up. Just me and you, a table for two, but we're not saying much. Baby, almost could never be enough. thirsty for more. The wine that you pour is poison in my cup. Bittersweet words dancing in my mouth, but I can't get them out. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying, you ain't the one. Our time is up, I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. What went wrong? Oh, I said wrong all along. Truth is I'm tired of lying. I've been trying. You ain't the one. I'm moving on. Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying to figure out what went wrong, or was it wrong all along? Truth is I'm tired of lying to myself. I've been trying, you ain't the one. Our time is up.
This whole build was inspired by this waterfall. I want to do something different, play around with terrain tool because I don't do it a lot, but I do enjoy it sometimes. And I saw this and it seemed easy enough to do. It was kind of tedious because I had to put a whole bunch of water fountains down there, but I do like this feature. Now let me turn on play. It's kind of cute. I like that. I need to do more. I think next time I do this, I'm going to make it bigger and have like 2 tiers of waterfall. I'm not sure if your sim can swim here, but let me try. Let me see if she can go in there. No, she can't. So I think I have to move some of these, what is this? The leaves out the way, and she can get in there, but I don't want to because it looks fine the way it is. I like that. So this is the whole house zoomed out. A lot of the little pathway that I did, I used terrain tools. So if you don't want those, they're going to jump back up. So if you don't want these, good luck trying to put them back if you don't have the tool mod, because that's what I use for this. But this is the house. I was trying to go for a fantasy build. That's why there's a whole bunch of the alien stuff from Get to Work around. I need to get better at doing the house shape. This one I don't mind. It is cute. It looks fantasy. But the next one I want to do like towers going up, which is going to be a freaking nightmare to furnish, but I'll suck it up. But this is the front. Let's go inside. So when you first walk in, here's the kitchen table. It's kind of an odd placement, but this is the only place I could put this unless I put it in the back, but it still would have been weird. This is the kitchen. I need to go back through here and add like little stuff to the shelves that I put up, but I think when the walls are down, you won't see it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And then over here is a little study. I used the computer from Country Living, Cottage Living. I used that because I didn't want a modern computer in here. The only annoying part about this is the bookcase. You cannot see anything from this side. Oh yeah, in this tree. You have to go this way. I didn't want to get rid of the bookcase. I thought it was a cute feature. I'm going to keep it there. Might end up playing in this house just off camera, like just my own personal let's play. Yeah, this is a little study room. And then over here, I have the living room, which there's not really good furniture to match. Well, I guess there could be furniture. I don't know. I didn't want to put the country living stuff in here because I didn't want it to look country. That's not the vibe I was going for. Maybe when that new kit comes out, the castle kit, maybe some of those items would fit better. But this is what I got for that. No TV in here. I feel like I never put TVs in my Sims houses. It's kind of annoying. I hate when they just stay on the TV all day and every day. Yeah, there's a little knitting basket over here, fireplace. Nothing on this wall because it's the staircase. So I couldn't really, it's just an awkward position. I'd rather not have it. Okay, that is still there. And over here is the teeny tiny little bathroom. I didn't show myself doing this. I put down like the main stuff, but I didn't actually show myself decorating it. It's a bathroom. It's got all the bathroom things in it. It works. Then upstairs, I didn't put anything in this little hallway. When the walls are down, you can't see anything in here anyway, and I didn't want to put a picture here because that would probably obstruct the view from this room, and it's a small room. This is the first bedroom that you come into. It's really tiny, so it's kind of annoying. Hey, there's a bookcase right here. Where's my bookcase? Okay, well, go back and add the bookcase back. But it's a really tiny room. Pretty simple. Chair, desk. There's no computer on the desk. They can just do their homework there. The bed does have the little, I don't know, I'm kind of becoming obsessed with this little thing. I think it's really cute, but that's what the bed has. But this is the first bedroom. And then over here is the master bedroom. Um, I love this bedroom. I like how the colors came out. I was going to do a different bed color, but then I was like, no, let's try to make the black work. And I think it works really well. It looks super, even though it's black, it still looks super soft in here and inviting. I had like little odds and ends in here, like the cow plant thing. Over here, oh, sorry. And then the hands that are coming out of the ground. And then over here is a little desk area as well. I didn't put a computer. We have one downstairs. We don't need two. And then I put a little Simray in the bookcase. Why? I don't know. I just thought it was funny. But this is the master bedroom. So let's go downstairs. When you go out this back door, it's just the backyard. It's not anything too over the top. There's a telescope over here. I put the projection screen thing, and then there's a tree right here, but you can't see it when it's zoomed in. It is there though. There it is. A little seating area. So your Sims can watch TV. Oh, I need to center that a little bit better. Your Sims can watch TV. It's just going to be outside, and I'm pretty sure it'll be fine against the weather because it's underneath this little thing. So it shouldn't, what's it called? Burn up, like get struck by lightning. It shouldn't. That, and it's The Sims though. And then over here is a little pathway. I need to fix that. That needs to go down some more. I should do it right now. Elevate -0.01. See if that fixes that. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So over here is a little walkway. Oh my goodness, this one is messed up too. I'm just finding all kinds of stuff. My bad. That one's still floating, but I'll go back and fix that. I need to make that further away from the other one. But over here's a little walkway around the house, and then you go through here and it's a little garden and a seating area. Yeah, there's just some planter boxes and the easel right here. All in all, this build was really fun to do. I think it's great how I started the idea from the waterfall and took it from there. I need to start showing more of what I'm doing in build mode because I keep cutting stuff out because if I don't, the video will be so long. But I think I need to work on that. But with that, I am done with the video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.